Hello everyone, welcome to Avkash ke Pal. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Today you will see how we make these tasty Lauki cutlets. Peel, wash and grate the bottle gourd and squeeze out all the water completely. Now add dry ingredients one by one and combine this. If it's watery, then add some more besan and mix it well. The mixture should have a thick consistency. Do not keep this for a long time because it releases water. Grease your palm with oil and make cylindrical shapes out of it. Heat the oil and deep fry the cutlets. Stir occasionally and fry until they turn golden brown and crisp. Take them in a plate and serve hot with green chutney. If you like this video, then please do like, share with your friends and family, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet.